If you have ever let an AI coding agent run for an extended session, you know exactly what goes wrong. The agent forgets your project rules, drifts away from the original objective, and starts executing unverified code. We are fixing that today by imposing a strict structure on those raw AI capabilities. We will use the Everything Claude Code Framework, or ECC. It operates as a stateful wrapper that surrounds your coding agent. Instead of starting every session with a blank slate, ECC forces the agent to read project memory, respect security guardrails, and adhere to a test-driven development pipeline. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to set this up from scratch. We will install the framework, apply your specific coding standards, and run an interactive, visually verified coding workflow. Before we touch the terminal, you must verify 3 system requirements. You need your preferred package manager installed, Claude Code updated to version 2.1.0 or higher, and strictly Node.js version 21 or above. That Node version is mandatory. Running an older version of Node causes the framework's security hooks to fail silently. The system will look like it is working, but it will exit without actually intercepting or blocking malicious tool calls. Establishing the correct foundation is your first line of defense. Look at this terminal interface. We are starting inside the active Claude Code prompt, typing out the /plugin marketplace add command, and pasting the ECC GitHub URL. This points your local environment to the upstream repository. Next, execute /plugin install ECC at ECC. This single command handles the provisioning of the workflow skills and binds the necessary runtime hooks natively into your Claude Code environment. Do not combine installation methods. If you use the native plugin command we just ran, you must not run the manual shell installation scripts on top of it. Stacking these pathways forces the system to copy overlapping files into your directory. You will end up with duplicated skills in your menu, and your background security hooks will fire twice for every single action the agent attempts to take. By committing strictly to the native plugin route, your configuration remains centralized, the orchestrator stays stable, and you avoid creating internal conflicts that confuse the agent. Step 2 is setting up our coding standards. Because of architectural constraints, the plugin cannot distribute static rules on its own. Clone the ECC repository to a temporary folder on your local machine so we can access the raw rule packs. Run a standard mkdir-p command to create a dedicated rules folder at /home/claude/rules/ECC. This is the directory where your active, always loaded constraints will live. Copy over the baseline common rules folder first. This specific pack governs the foundational behaviors of the AI, including how it handles general tool calls and system operations. Look at this directory tree. We copy only the language rules required for our stack. Notice the Python node moves into our target folder, leaving the rest. Resist copying the entire directory. Dumping all 12 ecosystems at once creates massive context bloat. Forcing an agent to read rules for Rust and Flutter while writing a Python script burns tokens unnecessarily and increases the probability that the model will hallucinate. Loading only what you need preserves the AI's reasoning capabilities. Now that the files are in place, we run a diagnostic heartbeat. Type /plugin list ECC at ECC in the prompt. This ensures the internal manifest is fully loaded and active. Execute nodescripts.ecc.doctor. This green overlay displays the report, confirming the structural integrity of your installed files and background hook bindings are sound. If that report flags a missing module or an undefined variable, run the ECC.js repair command. This fallback script systematically restores your file state without forcing you to rebuild the environment from scratch. Skipping these checks exposes your local machine to unpredictable agent behavior. Proving the system is wired correctly ensures your security hooks are active before the agent touches your codebase. Let's test the active framework. Type the command /ECC:plan and ask the agent to add a basic health check endpoint to an API. Behind the scenes, the orchestrator dynamically loads a specialized planner subagent. Instead of a cluttered history, the agent spins up inside an empty window, focusing solely on design. The agent generates an implementation plan, but it will not write the code yet. The framework halts execution at a hard verification gate, pausing the terminal and waiting for your explicit approval. Open a second terminal window and launch the visual review tool using ECC Plan Canvas open, followed by the path to the plan file. Look at this browser interface. Instead of reading raw markdown in the terminal, you can interact with a rendered flowchart diagram, highlight text for annotations, and review the task list before clicking the prominent Approve Plan button. Clicking that button generates a structured JSON payload and passes it natively back to the paused command line interface. You have removed blind AI generation from the process. By inserting a deterministic, human-in-the-loop review, you verify the logic visually before a single line of code is modified. You have successfully replaced an amnesic static AI session with a constrained operational harness. Every tool call now follows a strict engineering pipeline that you verified personally. From here, you can trigger isolated code reviews. Using the /code review command spawns a fresh subagent to audit changes, preventing the LLM from simply agreeing with its own previous output and missing deep logical flaws. You can also utilize the Unified Memory Vault. When you hit a stopping point, this feature persists context into a local vault, allowing seamless handoffs across multi-day development cycles. Check the official GitHub documentation to explore the Agent Shield security configurations and instinct-based continuous learning modules. With the foundation set, your agent is ready to scale.